Well, good morning, my friends. So I've been trying to record this video. This is like the third time I'm recording this video. So, going to get into it after the intro. So, I have been looking at buying a new helmet recently, and I've been going back and forth to what I wanted and how much money I wanted to spend, and I really didn't want to spend a ton of money. So I've been looking around, shopping around a bunch of different brands, and I seen the VOSS 989 Moto V helmet, and Captain Granite wears one. So I reached out to him on Instagram and was asking him a little bit about it, and he was giving me some information on it, you know, what he thought of it, how good of a helmet it was, yada yada yada. So I really wasn't sure. So then I actually reached out to VOSS and asked them if they would send me a helmet to review and, you know, try on and this and that. And the obvious answer is, you ain't no big channel, why the hell should we give you anything? I mean, that's not exactly what they said, but that's what I heard. But they said they were more than willing to accept my application to become an affiliate. I said, okay. So I filled out the application to become an affiliate, and it says it takes 48 hours or whatever to process. And a week later, I still hadn't heard back. So I was like, all right, well, I guess it didn't go the way I thought it was going to go. So I looked at it again and I was like, oh shit, I forgot to fill this part out here and fill that part out there. So I did that, and lo and behold, I got approved to be an affiliate. So in the process of being approved, I almost bought a Scorpion helmet. Came this close to buying one. So I didn't want to spend $500 on a helmet. I know, you know, you get what you pay for, yada yada yada, but I didn't want to spend that much money. So I bought the VOSS. I'm an affiliate, but I still purchased this helmet right here, the VOSS 989 Moto V helmet in matte white. So I've actually had the helmet for a couple weeks now, and I was going to do an unboxing and I just didn't get around to it, so I was like, fuck it, let me just open it up. But what I want to do here is do a first impression on this helmet, even though it's my third impression, because like I said, I tried to record this video 2 other times and it just didn't work. So here's my first/third impression of the VOSS 989 Moto V helmet. So looking at the sizing chart, I am between a medium and a large. So I decided to go with the medium size, and actually it fits very well. So this helmet is comfortable. It is. You know, I can't deny that. The field of view is actually pretty good. My peripherals are decent. This helmet comes with a drop down visor, something I have never had before. Let me put that back up. This helmet also comes with a pin lock included. Now, I do not currently have the pin lock on, which I probably should put it on. And it also comes with a ratchet strap. I'm used to a double D ring strap. I've never had anything other than that. So my short-term impression of this helmet is so far so good. Aesthetically, I love the way it looks. Like I said, got a good field of view. It fits good. I mean, it fits perfectly. Got the drop down visor. The helmet comes with a clear shield, just like most other helmets do. And the replacement shields are only $29, which for a shield really isn't bad. Like I said, it comes with a pin lock. Plus, got the ratchet strap here. So, there are two things that I've noticed about this helmet that slight drawbacks, but I think I can learn to live with it a little bit at times. So, the first thing I will say is that changing out the visors, it's supposed to be simple and easy. Maybe it's because it was new, maybe it's my stupidity, but I had to fumble around with it for a couple minutes before I could get it to release and put this one on. So that was one, like I said, I can get around that. No big deal, because in all reality, I'm really not going to be changing out the visor that much at all. I'm actually going to put the pin lock in on the chrome visor and probably never change it out. Just like on my Biltwell lane splitter, I never changed out the chrome shield. All right, the other thing I've noticed about this helmet, and I've read a lot of reviews on this helmet, and a lot of people are saying it's quiet. Well, it's not. It's not a real quiet helmet. I'm cruising at about 40 right now, and it's bearable, it's decent, it's not bad. I don't know how it's going to sound on the video, because like I said, I've had audio issues and I've been trying to record this video and it just hasn't worked out. So that's the one drawback so far. You know, like I said, I can live with the face shield because I'm not going to be changing it out on a regular basis. The noise could be an issue, especially when I'm motovlogging. So, along with buying this helmet, I actually wound up getting the chin mounts. I don't know if you see that. And this way I don't have to worry about the shit I went through on the boats and hose ride. It'll be a quick, easy switch out if I need to. And I also put on my extra Ulanzi quick release mount. So I like the setup of where the camera is with the chin mount and everything else, but I'm not talking about the chin mount, I'm talking about the helmet. So, alright, so like I said, I am an affiliate. I do have an affiliate link. I will put that in the description below. If you decide to buy from VOSS a helmet, whatever else they sell, they have a bunch of different kind of helmets. Click on my affiliate, it'll help the channel out. And not just that, I do have a coupon code for 10% off. So if you go in there and buy anything in a promo code, coupon code, whatever it's called, Goofy Bastard 10, and you can get 10% off of your purchases. So yeah, so they're my initial thoughts of the helmet. Let me know what you think about it, what it looks like. My wife and my kids say I look like a Power Ranger, and I mean, is that really a bad thing? Back in the day, Power Rangers were cool. So let me know what you think of the look of the helmet. That's where I'm going to end it. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.